So yesterday I got a package in the mail from KickAss Products. They had reached out and sent me kind of a swag bag. Let me show you how cool this is. This is all the stuff they sent me. Rechargeable head torch, the koozie, the small LED torchlight power bank, which I'm excited to use all this, water bottle, a tumbler, a keychain, a hat, and I also got some stickers. But here's also my KickAss system. I've got the KickAss control hub. I'm running 200 amp hour lithium ion, and I've got the KickAss monitor. Thank you, KickAss Products, for making KickAss Products. Thank you for the swag bag. I really appreciate it. You guys are the first company to just send me something, and it is so exciting. So thank you guys. If you're thinking about making a purchase of KickAss Products, I've got a link I'll put below that'll save you 5%. If you have questions about the KickAss Products, I don't know everything, but I'd be more than happy to answer anything. Have a great day.